hear the echo in the room, a hollow hum, a fading tune. My fingers shake, they hit the wrong note, chasing shadows that I never wrote. The keys don't lie, they always tell the stories buried where my tears fell. Fingers on the keys, they pull me apart. Every chord a crack in my heart. I play, but it's never quite right. Fingers on the keys, chasing the night. The clock ticks loud, the silence grows. The piano knows what nobody knows. My secrets spill in black and white, a quiet war in the dead of night. Every minor chord feels like rain, every major lifts then sinks again. I'm writing letters you'll never see, just fingers on the keys, just me. Fingers on the keys, they pull me apart. Every chord a crack in my heart. I play, but it's never quite right. Fingers on the keys, chasing the night. I hear the echo in the room, a hollow hum, a fading tune. My fingers shake, they hit the wrong note, chasing shadows that I never wrote. The keys don't lie, they always tell the stories buried where my tears fell. Fingers on the keys, they pull me apart. Every chord a crack in my heart. I play, but it's never quite right. Fingers on the keys, chasing the night.